Good morning, friends. My name is Dhruv Patel. Today's our topic name is method of generating new business idea. Next, our content is method of idea generation, focus group, brainstorming, problem inventory analysis, observation, research and development, emergency trade, and second one topic is creative problem solving techniques. Or we are know that good idea plus entrepreneur is equal to business potential. Next. Next, focus group. Focus group have become one of the most popular way to gather market research data, in which 8 to 4 member group is making, and they will discuss two problems and solving the problems, and they are generating new ideas. Next, brainstorming matter. Brainstorming matter is a generating idea solving design problem. It usually involves a group under the direction of facilitator, in which one is a mediator and they make up one group and they are discuss each other two problems and they are solve the problems and new idea is generation. Problem inventory analysis, in which one problem is exists, then there are solution and then there are new idea is generated. It's matter obtaining new idea and solution by focusing the on problem, and this analysis use the individual in a manner that analogous and focus the group generate the new product ideas. For maximum result, it is advisable that problem inventory analysis should be used for primary new product ideas from existing product before future evolution. And brainstorming and focus group matter is a group matter. Next is convert to Hardik.
Core method observation. Observation is the most common method of the identify the new business idea. Observation can be used to describe a person or group of people behave by problem probing. What what do people buy? What do people want and cannot buy? When people buy, why do they buy? What could be alternative? All these questions should be asked in the order to identify business idea for the particular sector. Next, core method research and development. Research and development is the process by which which a company works to obtain a new knowledge that it might use to create new technology, product, service, or system that it will be either used to use or sell. The goal most often is to add to the company's bottom line. The activity is aimed to invent new product and new business idea utilizing knowledge acquired during study or work experience, researching new methods, skill, and technical technique enable entrepreneurs to enhance his performance and stability to deliver better product and service. Next, 6. Emerging trade. To identify emerging trade can generate new business idea for the entrepreneur. If it is a peak in the early stage emergence, it can be used even generating business. For example, digital payment is the emerging trade in the India. Next, we'll
Okay.
continue. Hetu Patel.
Creative problem solving technique. Creative ideas do not suddenly appear in people's mind. So whether they are a result for trying to solving a specific problem or to achieve a particular goal, creative problem solving capacity can only be enhanced through a various mental exercise techniques. Though creativity affected by age, education, and buoyancy and the lack of use. Following are the some technique can be used for solving the uh, problem. Number one, brainstorming, reverse brainstorming. brainwriting, Gordon method, checklist method, free association, forcing relationship, collective notebook method, attribute listening method, big dream method, parameter analysis. Next, brainstorming. Brainstorming is the most well-known and widely used for idea generation as well as for problem solving. Once the idea is generated in the idea generation technique, in the problem solving technique, brainstorming exercise is only carried out in focused area or ideas. Although the capacity of a single person is somewhat limited, the production of word increase enormously if there are more people working together. For starting a brainstorming session, topic of the brainstorming should be clearly given so that each think on it and based on that problem can be solved. In brainstorming, no criticism is allowed and thought should be creative. Next, reverse brainstorming. It is the reverse process of brainstorming where thinking is started for negativity. In this technique, following are the steps are follow. Number one, clearly identify the problems and challenging and write down. Reverse the problem and ask reverse the problem by asking how could I possibility causes the problem. Brainstorming the reverse problem to generate a reverse solution idea. Allow the brainstorming idea to flow freely. Once the person brainstorming allow to ideas to solve the reverse problem, not reverse into the solution. Idea for original problem or challenge. Evaluate this solution or idea. Next, brainwriting. Brainwriting is an idea generating group activities that involve everyone, while brainstorming encourage a group to generate a creative ideas. Brainwriting enable a group to generate an idea and solution to several problems simultaneously on paper, and the group involvement is focused on individualistic at it tapped on collective input as participants build on each other ideas. And this method is suitable when the group has limited time to discuss problems as well as there are severally shy people in a group. Next will be continued by Jay Patel.
Now we have seen the fourth method is Jordan method. The Jordan method involves developing new ideas when the individual are unaware of the problem. In this group member do not know the exact nature of the problem. The entrepreneur begins by mentioning a general concept associated with the problem. The group thereafter respond by expressing a number of ideas. This can lead to a concept being developed, followed by related concept through guidance by the entrepreneur. At least the actual problem is revealed, enabling the group to make suggestions for the implementation or refinement of the final solution. Next. Now, fifth method is checklist method. In this method, a new idea is developed through a list of related issues or suggestions. The entrepreneur uses a list of questions or statements to guide the direction of developing entirely new idea or focusing on specific idea areas. The list of checkpoints vary from product to product and business to business. Next. Now, sixth method is pre-association. So, pre-association is a method of developing new idea through a chain of word association. This technique is helpful in developing an entirely new angle to a problem. The process involves a word or phrase relating to the problem being written down, then another and another, with each new word attempting to add a new idea to the ongoing throughout the processes. Finally, creating a chain of ideas ending with a new product idea merging. This is the simplest yet most effective method that an entrepreneur can employ. Next. Now, next is force relationship. This is a process of forcing relationship among some product combination and their features. It is a technique that asks questions about object or idea in an effort to develop a new idea. The new combination and eventual concept emerge through a 5-step process given below. The first step is isolation of elements of the problem. Second is establish relationships between these elements. Third is record the relationship in an orderly manner. Fourth is analyze the emerging relationship to find idea or pattern. And last step is develop a new idea. new idea from these patterns. Now again slide will continue with the Krunal.
Now the next matter is attribute listing matter. Attribute listing an idea generating technique that requires entrepreneurs to list the attributes of an item or product and then look at each attribute listing is from different perspectives. Through this method, originally unrelated objects can be brought together to form a new combination and possible new uses that better satisfy a need. In summary, attribute listing refers to a matter of developing a new idea by looking at the positive and negative. Next is big dream approach. In this matter, the entrepreneur dreams about the problem and its solution. He or she thinks big. In this approach, every possibility is recorded and investigated or the resources required documented. To the entrepreneur idea, the conceptualized without any constraint until an idea is developed into a workable form. Next is parameter analysis. This is a method of developing a new idea by focusing on parameter identification and creative synthesis. Parameter identification involves the analysis of variables contained in the situation to determine their relative importance. This variable thereafter becomes the focus of the investigation, with other variables being set aside. These are the methods of the idea generation. So, thank you.